Hello and welcome to the Python series. In this episode, we are going to be looking at modules. So modules in Python are nothing but Python scripts that you can actually import and use in another Python script, as it were. So for the most part, or rather later on, as we progress with the series, you realize that we'll actually be using other pre-written Python scripts, and we'll be including them into our own code. For instance, to handle things like files, you actually have to use some pre-written Python scripts, and the way you include those inside of your current Python script is to import them as modules. So in order for us to get started, let's actually create a Python script called greeting.py. Then inside of greeting, what you're actually going to do is let's just define one method called say hello. Then this method is actually going to take a parameter of type name. Then it's simply going to print the word, rather the words hello there. Then we'll simply concatenate that with the name that was passed as an argument to the hello function, to the say hello function. And I think that's just about what we're going to do inside of the greeting script. Then let's actually go ahead and create another script called use greeting.py. Then in order for us to actually include this greeting script as a module inside of the use greeting script right here, we need to use the from keyword, right? So we are saying from, so we have to include the name of the script that we want to import, right? So we say from greeting, we want to import, right? So when you import, when you're trying to import a module, right, you can actually import everything that is contained within that particular module or script, or you can just import something specific. So in our case, since we only have one method inside of the greeting module or the greeting script, we just go ahead and create import everything. So the way you import everything is to make use of the asterisk or the star symbol, which is basically the wildcard for importing everything into your current script. So by doing this, we can actually go ahead and we know that we have the say hello method or rather function inside of the greeting script. So let's just go ahead and maybe say type a name of what, administrator. So that's the name, right? Then that's all we have to do really. Let's go ahead and run this script. Make sure I have used greeting, not used greetings. So maybe just to clear the console, run it one more time. So you realize that we get hello administrator, and I want you to pay close attention to the script that we are running. We are running the use greeting script, right? But if you look inside of the use greeting script, we do not have any method called say hello that was defined, but we are able to actually get output down there in the console. So the reason why this works is because we are using the greeting method right here, and we defined that greeting method right here, rather the greeting script right here. So we are importing everything from the greeting script, and by so doing, we're actually importing this say hello method right there. So that's the essence of modules in Python. As we progress, we shall actually be making use of pre-written modules, like for instance, in order for us to handle math operations, you can actually just use you can import from the math library, and so forth and so on. So the key point to note is that a module is nothing but a Python script that is pre-written, and that you can actually use or include in your current script, right? And you can call those modules, you can call them scripts, or you can call them libraries. So they basically refer to the same thing. So that's just about it for this tutorial, rather for this episode. I'll see you in the next one.